Now, Title VII, as I said, was amended to make it clear that you cannot discriminate against an employee on the basis of pregnancy, childbirth, or related medical conditions. It requires women affected by pregnancy or related medical conditions to be treated the same for all employment-related purposes, including a receipt of benefits under fringe benefit programs, as other persons who are not so affected but similar in their ability or inability to work. So in its clearest form, what the Pregnancy Discrimination Amendment did was make it illegal to discriminate against someone because of pregnancy, childbirth, or related medical condition. It is, in fact, just your basic no disparate treatment. You have to treat pregnant employees just as you would other employees. By its own terms, the Pregnancy Disability Amendment Act does not require accommodation for a pregnant employees. It just means you can't treat them differently as you from any other employees who might be similarly affected as it affects their abilities to work. Then let's compare the PDA to the ADA. Well, pregnancy is not a covered disability as a condition. In fact, you can look at many of the cases, and sort of a feminist argument has come up at points arguing that you shouldn't treat pregnant employees as a disability because it's actually a natural, very healthy, and often very welcomed condition. And it is not, per se, a covered disability. However, pregnancy-related impairments may be covered by the ADA and entitled to reasonable accommodation just as any other disability can be. And so you will hear people say, which is literally true, that pregnancy is not a disability under the Americans with Disabilities Act, but that's a little bit of a semantical statement, because the fact of the matter is that under the ADA, pregnancy-related impairments are very much covered, and you have to accommodate those. And so don't be led down the primrose path by the simple statement, well, pregnancy is not a covered disability. True, but that's really only part of the picture.